What's up, y'all? It is Slime Green Beast in the building. In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve CPU performance. Say your computer is lagging or your FL program is lagging when you play your sounds. This one is not, but I'm just using it as an example. So you just have a really heavy project and it's lagging. I'm going to show you how to fix it. All right, so go to options. Number one, we're going to go to options. I showed this in the other video, but anyways, but make sure you increase the buffer length to its maximum, 2048. Okay. And set the priority to highest. Make sure multi-threaded general processor, mixer processing, and smart disable are all selected. Okay. So again, maximize the buffer length, priority highest, bam, bam, bam. Okay. This should solve your issue, but if you're still having issues, stay with me. So what we're gonna do with this is kind of like hitting Control Alt Delete in Windows. We're gonna go to View, Plugin Performance Monitor. Okay. So we're looking at here, we're like, okay, what's causing the most stress? We see Electric 2, we see Electric 3, we see Electric 4. So a big one, we'll just go with Electric 2, all right? So what is Electric 2? It should be pretty straightforward, pretty simple to figure out, but we just know from here, this is Electric 2 right here. We have to figure out what pattern is it in though. So 2, all right, here it is in 2, great. So we want to convert this to an audio clip. So what we're going to do is hit Alt P and we're going to right click on pattern 2, or we're going to render as audio clip. Make sure you cut wave 512 HQ start. Okay, and then when this is finished, we're going to have to drag the audio clip into the playlist to replace pattern 2. And then we also have to make sure that we place the new audio clip in the correct mixer channel as well, the same mixer channel that pattern 2 was in. So it'll be 1 for me. So you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so bam, bam. We'll go ahead and delete pattern 2. Whoops. Delete pattern 2. Delete. Here's the audio clip. Drag it in there. Control B, Control B. Make sure you just fully replace it. And then we're going to actually delete Electra 2. Delete Electric 2. Bam. And again, be careful when you're doing this. It's kind of get dangerous. And move that pattern into Mixer Channel 1. So everything is the same. And we just consolidated. So we can go back to the plugin performance monitor. And we'll see Electra 2 is no longer there. Can we even find the mixer, the audio clip? We'll see Electric 2 is not there. Okay, so this should solve, using this process should solve your issues. Another big CPU performance problem is within the mixer. Delete mixing tools that are causing, and again, reference the performance monitor. So if you see something on there that's being used, that's causing a lot of CPU that you're not using, go ahead and just delete it. I know ozone is a big one. Make sure you delete it. Don't just turn it off. Delete it. Like right click, or you know what I'm saying. With this one, delete. So that's what you're gonna want to do. The last thing I suggest is, especially in the advanced stages of your project, you're gonna want to go to Tools, Macros, and you're going to select unused channels. So this is just going to select every sound that's not being used at all. So this is great, especially for me, because I like to just drag a lot of sounds in just to test things. And this will also make your project look more professional. So once everything is selected, go hit this knob, delete selected. You could also just hit Alt Delete, delete selected, bam. Now you have a much more consolidated track. And it looks beautiful, really. Like, look at this, wow. So we just know the melody's playing, and it's a much more consolidated track. So that is how you improve CPU performance and reduce lag in FL Studio 20, guys. If you like this video and it helped you, please leave a like, a comment, maybe even a positive comment, and of course a subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos, guys. This is Slime Green Beats in the building. Peace out.